are on the way to Cedar Falls. And I just wanted to get some of this road because it's really pretty and windy and like a roller coaster. So we just got done at Walmart. Man, they still don't have I cannot find a phone harness anywhere for my phone. So, I did get a tripod, however, and we're gonna see if that helps. But, I don't know. We're gonna make it work. We're gonna make it work. And we got some lunch so we can have a picnic at the waterfall or along the way or wherever. And what else do we get, man? Oh, we got steak sauce for dinner. Oh, man. Woo! I'm so glad we just got new tires. That makes me feel so much better being on these roads.
That's that little fucking country shop.
Yeah, that has like 92 flavors of ice cream.
48.
48. Okay, 48. Bye. Whatever. It was a lot of flavors of ice cream. Still got 1.7 miles to go.
Did you see that sign?
What?
It said tune into like their AM radio station for info around here.
Really?
Yeah.
No, let's try it though. Do you know what station it was?
No, but I just saw it.
Oh, here's AM. Let's see.
Is it up?
Nope.
There's a school out here?
I guess so. It apparently is letting out. It's interesting. Oh. Here, I'm going to scan the AM radio stations.
One of my colleagues in FOP were at City Hall, and we came across this young girl named Jay.
Okay.
What's the news on Jamar, and what's the news on T? So I'll ask you, Mike, what's the...
Yes, very much. Listen to it all the time.
Okay, we found something that says Cedar Falls, but it was a little confusing which direction Cedar Falls. Oh my gosh, you know everything. How do you know everything? The whole GPS said that it was to the right, and we came to the left because he said to, and look what's right here. Right here. Can you see that? Cedar Falls. So, we are in Hocking Hills, Ohio. And you can actually hear the waterfall. Oh, you can see some down there. Look. Can you see? Hold on, I wonder if I can flip this in the middle of me recording. Yo, that was dope as hell. I did not know I could do that. Babe, watch this. Look, in the middle of recording, we can make us big or the front camera. We can flip the camera. Are you serious? In the middle of recording. So, here we go. Here we go. Hopefully I...
do these?
Hopefully I... Actually, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and pick this all the way frontwards because I'm not trying to trip down these steps right here. We did get Mr. Onyx's hiking sweater on because the pajamas, we needed those up off the feetsies so he could go hiking. But it's a little chilly out here. So, he's set to go. And we are just waiting our turn to use the stairs. It's just so magnificent. Okay, it's our turn. Oh my gosh. Got the hiking Jordans on today. Oh man. The doggy's not sure where to go. Do you want to put those keys in my pocket, baby? Okay, I got you. Oh man, look! We're getting there. Wow. That's a pretty decent height waterfall. I remember coming here. I thought we had come to Cedar Falls before. Oh no. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. It's dramatic. Alright. It's okay. It's all about the experience. Wow, look at this huge mossy rock. Man. Take some of that home for Pablo. Pablo the turtle would love that. Oh gosh. Oh look, it's a dog print. Why does that look like a dog print in there? That's a rock. Huh. Wow, there's little... It's still frozen, babe. What? Oh my gosh, this is one of the geo... Someone shared this message with me that changed my life. Oh, maybe not. I thought that was one of the geocache rocks. And it was, here's my story. Never mind. Okay. Wow. Look at this. Not that it's still frozen. Can we go up this way? No. Oh, man. Baby, he can. And look, there's a secret place up here. You think you can do it? I don't know. It looks amazing. Oh, man. Hold on, I'm going to take a picture and show you. It is a trail, too, because there's steps back here. It's just like I don't know, it's just more of the water. I think he could make it. Huh? Wow. In a minute. So clear. How is this still frozen? When I'm in shorts, it's like 50 degrees out here at least. And the water is flowing. Oh, wow. It's like it unfroze from up here and started melting and refroze here or something. Because that's what, you know? Yeah, it started melting because right there too. That is so cool. Oh man. Oh man, that's muddy. I almost got broke, y'all. Almost got broke, babe. It's a... Look. It's dripping right into its own ice cup of water. Thank you, nature. I'm gonna wipe my hands off right there. Look at this one. That's dripping from there. Oh, that's cool. Look how these trees are literally just on the side. Of the mountain, of the cliff. Actually, I'm literally standing underneath this tree. It's hanging out over top of me. It looks like a gorilla face right here. See the two eyes and the nose coming out? Yeah. Ooh, we were coming right around that corner when I looked up, and that scared the dog crap out of me. Good job. Forward. Forward, forward, forward. Yep. Okay, we are on our way. Oh, there's the doggy time. He is taking me to this place that I didn't even find looking at stuff. My hair is crazy today. I'm just alfalfa right here in the front, so don't judge me, okay? And I just need the little thing spoken up in the back. Oh my gosh! Oh, I can't do that on here. Oh, I'm doing so much. I gotta turn this thing off, man. I gotta turn this thing off. But I did want you to see this awesome street. And we are going to, what is it called, baby? Rose Lake Overlook. We have about 8 minutes to get there on streets like this. And I don't even know what it is. He found it and it's a surprise, so I'll tap in when we're there. It's okay, buddy. Alright, so we got to the top of the hill. We are inside like the, I don't know, Hocking Hills State Park. And these are the cabins apparently. I don't know, I'm speculating. But I feel like these are the Hocking Hills cabins. Which Ernie has a lot to say about them.
Yeah, like, I don't know, it just looks old as fuck.
Yeah.
Like a forgotten thing.
Yeah. And we're supposed to go right here, but it's blocked off.
Yeah.
What are we looking for again? Oh yeah, the Rose Lake Overlook.
Yeah.
Rose Lake Overlook. So, we're gonna go see what else we can find.
That was weird.
They have a creepy feel about them, don't they, babe?
Yep.
They have a creepy feel. Yeah, I'm glad we're not staying here.
Fuck yeah.
I don't feel like anybody was staying there. What the heck is that?
Yeah, what's this?
I don't know what this is. It looks like a low-key church. Oh, Hocking Hills Lodge and Conference Center.
Huh.
Okay.
Oh, see,
And then it said there was a disc golf. Yeah, I didn't see anything to do with disc golf.
You
I
probably
didn't
have
see
to walk. That's why there is cars up there.
Oh, well, they need signs for people, you know, like us.
Yeah, you would never find that. We only found it because we're just lost.
Legit.
I've never seen railing that old before.
You know,
Seen railing that old before.
yeah, it is pretty rusted. Okay, now let's pay attention how far this street goes with nothing else but the main purpose just to get up to that
There is
park.
That's it.
Right, I know.
How's that trail you're talking about? You probably have to park up there. And go.
Yeah, see, now that's the type of trail I want to do, baby.
It's a rough trail right
That's
there.
a rugged trail.
Yeah.
It's not even a trail. It's just, you don't even really know which way you're supposed to go until
probably
you get to the
see
next
Bigfoot up
marker.
You probably see Bigfoot up there.
Yeah. I'm telling you, I just saw that sign that said Bigfoot crossing. It looked like it. I think it was supposed to be 2 hikers, but it looked like 2 Bigfoot.
Oh, yeah. See, man, you're going to get stuck out here.
Yeah, don't do it. Don't do it. You might never make it out alive.
Oh, wow. See, someone made it.
I think those are school kids again.
Yeah, what kind of
Yeah,
school?
that's crazy. They gotta walk on these streets with backpacks. That's wild. They got all these walking trails around here, but they can't put a sidewalk in for the school kids.
At least they're going to school, though. Damn. Yeah, that's crazy. Looks like a walking trail.
It does, huh? Maybe they're just being rebellious and walking on the street. No, those ones we saw before, though, there was nowhere else for them to walk.
Yeah. I wouldn't walk that far ever for school. I fuck school.
Oh, down here is the main old man's cave. That's where we've been.
That's where we're going to turn.
Oh, that's where we gotta turn?
Yeah.
Oh, perfect. Then that's where you want to turn, right here, to the right. Be careful, Buster. Oh, okay, we're gonna go on the next one.
It's not there. That's me turn in here. Campground.
Oh, I see what you mean. My bad, I forgot we were still following GPS.
So,
I don't think you would go this way. That's the wrong way to go. Hold on, let me turn this off.
huh.
Were you reaching for it, babe? No, okay. Okay, so we are having a picnic lunch. I don't know what you can see. Even the doggy's having a picnic lunch. He's got his own little Lunchable down there. And we have made it back to the beginning, shall we say. So, Rose Lake, you can only get to by walking. So we are going to be going up this way behind me here shortly to see if we can find the overlook.
Well, they made it back in time, so I'm pretty sure they went back.
You think so?
Yeah, because they started when they started eating.
Okay, cool. All right. You can see what we're talking about here. Okay, so we got this map from the lady at the campground that was not letting us in. The only road that goes up to this, near this Rose Lake thing, okay? So we are, where are we at? We're down here. And this is the lake we're trying to get to. And so we have got to hike up the Gorge Overlook Trail up to Rose Lake. All right? All right, period. All right.
Alright, hold on.
We're rocking and rolling. Here we go. Mile and a half. We're not sure. Could be a mile and a half one way. Buddy. Yeah, it's okay, buddy. Oh, precious. It's okay. He's like, wait, I don't like that holes in the bridge. Precious, he's a smart doggy, huh? Oh, the baby. The baby. Oh, this is a suspension bridge, apparently. Which means that there's no stabilization on the bottom? Is that... That's actually what that means, I'm just realizing, huh? Interesting. The baby. He didn't like his little toes going through that, huh? Huh. Yeah, there's nothing stabilizing the bridge at all. It's just, it's hanging from those basically, huh? Suspended. He is funny. I never saw him do anything like that before. Oh, what a cute little bench here. How precious. This is like, wow. We're like in the middle of nowhere, babe. Like, you can't see anything around in a 360. Yeah. It's a tiny little waterfall. Just a tiny little waterfall. This is starting to be a little bit outrageous. We're on a pretty steep incline here. And, I don't even think we're half a mile in, babe. I swear. Maybe, I really don't know. But we're holding strong, and we're going slow and steady, and we are going to make it to this mother freaking lake. We are going to do it. Oh my gosh, baby, I think you're right. I think we did make it. I'm gonna be quite honest, I did not feel like a mile and a half. It felt like a lot, but I did not think that we were gonna make it about a mile and a half, to be honest. Whew! But we did. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Yes. Oh my God, babe, we made it. Wow. Until that moment, I couldn't even tell we were going to walk up on the lake like this. Oh my gosh. And there's the dam. Oh, wow. We did it. I am so freaking proud of us. We made it, y'all. We are walking literally across the Rose Lake Dam. Oh my God, just look at this. I can't tell how much you can see. Just look at the surroundings here. I guess I should watch where I'm going so I don't freaking fall here. Hold on. Let me turn it around. Yeah, next time, let's do it. Let's bring a couple fishing poles. We'll bring our lunch up here. Yeah, and make a whole day of it and just know that this is where we come. And we have to hike here. You have to hike here. You cannot get here with a vehicle. And furthermore, you really just have to know that it's here. Oh, wow, look at the moon, baby. Oh, my gosh. It is picture perfect. Like, this is the world we live in, y'all. Not what you see on TV. This is the world that you live in if this is what you make it. Wow. Oh, God. Oh, okay. Huh. Huh. It's so still. The water is literally just so still. All right, one more last view of Rose Lake, accessible only through a hike, before we enter back into the abyss for about 1.5 miles hike back to the car. We got this. I feel like it was mostly up on the way here, so I think we're going to be mostly down on the way back. Okay? All right. It feels like two completely different environments just from right there on the lake overlook to into here. Yeah. It doesn't even seem like they should be right next to each other. Right. I'm so glad we didn't turn around at that hill. I'm so glad we didn't turn around where we said we could make it the overlook. Where you said that was the overlook. Yes. He's a dog. He's loving it. He's having the time of his life. Me too, babe. We remember next time. Once you hit this big ass steep hill, you are so close to the pond, okay? So don't turn around when you get to this step because you're so close. We are still walking out of the woods. I'm hoping that we make it before it gets dark out, because I do not want to be stuck in the woods when it gets dark out. But I think we're getting close. I think. It's like pretty much a cliff to the right of us right here, though. I mean, it is pretty steep. This whole trail. And then, oh man. Okay. Oh, it's okay, buddy. It's okay. He does not like this bridge. So we made it back to the bridge. As you see, I freaking just rolled my ankle about 5 minutes into the woods here. Maybe not even that. Maybe like 3 minutes. I think I'm okay. But we'll find out later. The baby. Look at the baby. He's a baby. Oh, that is really neat. This is why the baby was scared, because he could see through the floor. I would be scared too. We freaking made it. We made it. We did it. I'm so proud of us, babe. I'm so proud of us. And I'm so proud that I'm not even mad that this is what my Jordans look like, because I'm living my best life. There was a time that I would have probably had a hissy fit over this. But this is what they're for. Rose Lake, you are hidden very well back there, bro. Very well. We'll be back to find you again. The town is wide. This is the Hocking Mall, apparently. We have a Tractor Supply, a tobacco, a pawn shop, Los Amigos, and Gordman's Bigger Deals that looks closed down. But we got a Dairy Queen in Logan, Ohio. So, there's that. But not that they call this their mall, though. Right there. That whole little shopping strip. That is it. That's the mall. Hey, we do have a Kroger's. We're going to go in Kroger's and see if we can find some meat to grill. Oh my gosh, we still need charcoal. We need charcoal and foil. Alright, so this is what we're going to do. And, yeah, we're going to attempt to grill out again. And I'm going to tell him he can get whatever he wants.
Yeah, we are going to grill.
I know. I know it. Okay, we are back to cooking. I have got some beautiful broccoli steaming over here. And some yellow squash sauteing. I woke up to freaking breakfast in bed. Biscuits, sausage, gravy. It's been an awesome day. And we still have a whole nother one. And a wake up. 2 wake ups and a whole nother day. Alright, we're gonna go out here and check out this grill here. Let's see if he knows what he's doing out here. Let's just take a look here. Ooh, okay. Okay, he might know what he's doing a little bit. Oh, man. And the potatoes? Okay, period. Okay. I am really so freaking proud of us and our cooking and variety of food that we are just really, we are really doing good with the self-care and with the eating and cooking for ourselves, babe. I'm really proud of us for that. Look, the freaking vegetable and fruit platter is almost gone, and we still have tonight, tomorrow, another night, and a morning. What? What? And I forgot that I even brought all these grapes. We really don't have much choice, though, because there's no Uber Eats out here. There's no freaking DoorDash. There's no restaurants to even go to. Anything that is here is a tiny little country restaurant. And it's probably already closed. So, like, if you don't cook coming out here, you better bring some ramen noodles. Oh, baby, baby. Oh, baby, baby. You think this turned out? Last night was bomb, too, man. Look at those chart marks. Man, stop it. And look at this guy. He is here for everything. He is loving his life. He loves the cabin. He knows what it means now. And he is ready to eat. Yeah, aren't you, buddy? Yeah, and he's a tired boy, but he is still here with us, going strong, huh? He hiked. How many miles, Onyx, did you hike? Like 4 miles today? And you saw a waterfall for the first time in your life? And you crossed a very scary bridge that you could see through? Yeah, Mr. Buster. Yeah, Daddy had to help you with that, huh?